We're getting closer and closer to the big day, which is going to happen next month, somewhere around August 15th and 16th. And in the meantime, Shibarium continues to be stress test and to get ready for mass adoption. That is what Shiba Inu is aimed at doing here once Shibarium drops. Shibarium recently surpassed 30 million transactions, and they've stress tested 17 million wallets on the network as well. We're going to dive into some of the specifics here and what we've learned over the past few months and what we can look forward to once Shibarium launches. All of that, guys, in this video. Appreciate you guys so much for stopping back here by the channel as well. So Shibarium beta testnet, dubbed PuppyNet, reached another new milestone, over 30 million transactions, 17 million addresses. Of course, this beta testnet has shown impressive growth. They have added a lot of these wallets by themselves to stress test the network. And over the past 2 weeks, the total number of transactions processed on PuppyNet has surged 17% and without any major issues. Now, per the latest data from PuppyScan, a platform that monitors the activities on PuppyNet, the network has successfully handled 30.24 million transactions. This figure is 17% higher than that recorded on June 30th, where the total transaction count stood at 25.6 million. Notably, the average block time on the network stands at 5 seconds, indicating efficient and speedy transaction processing, which is exactly what we want to see here. The beta version of Shibarium has also shown notable advancement in terms of block processes. The total number of processed blocks is on the brink of reaching 1.8 million, current count sitting at 1.72 million. This represents another 15% rise compared to where we were on June 30th. It's also witnessed a surge in new wallets. There are now over 17 million addresses connected to the Shibarium beta on PuppyNet. This shows us that Shibarium can handle tens of millions right now of addresses without any issues at all. The surge in network activity comes after Shytoshi, lead developer of SHIB, confirmed the long-awaited launch of Shibarium mainnet at the upcoming Blockchain Futurist Conference scheduled for August 15th and 16th. Here you go right now. If you're interested in getting in there, General Pass is right around $649 for the 2-day event out there in Toronto. I have not bought my ticket yet, but I think I might want to be out there, especially now that we know what's coming and the big news for Shibarium. Now, Shiba Inu has been named the title sponsor of this event, too, as reported by the Crypto Basic. Furthermore, the SHIB team has closed the intake form submissions for Shibarium, indicating progress in preparation for its mainnet launch. And, of course, we're gearing up for that, which is less than a month away. So, very, very exciting times here. And I think one thing I'm taking away from all of this is that Shibarium looks ready to go. More ready than ever, ready to handle major transactional volume, ready to handle tens of millions of wallets. And the time is now. The time is now for SHIB to really break the mold, break down the traditional ideas around its ecosystem now, and basically, I think by the end of the year, get everybody to be a believer in this ecosystem. They have an opportunity to do that, and it all starts just less than a month away. I appreciate you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe down below.